fit you. Mom fat can't fit you. Yo, what is up, guys? Now today, before the video starts, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. And with that big said, let's go start the video. Now today's video, we're gonna be doing probably something I shouldn't never done. I guess this dude over here is AFK, but this is my hangout. It's actually called Meet David Smile Fans. I have never said anything about this hangout, but yeah. So where did Rob go? I'm finna say, alright. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna be alright, guys. So I had to do something real quick. So yeah, alright. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be having these two people roast me. Whoever roasts the best is going to win. I guess I'm gonna send them a Roblox gift card. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell them instructions and the rules and everything, and I'll catch you guys when I get done. Alright, guys, so I done told them the instructions and everything and the rules, so let's see who's starting first. Who's starting first? Alright. Okay, your mama got like her. Wait, hold on. Yo, she was fatter than the world, mama. Yo, blank blank, she was fatter than the world. Your mom got like her. And wait, where did Keva go? I don't know. Okay. Rob winning so far. Okay, Rob wins so far. You can't dance in your dreams. Oh. Actually, I can't dance really that good in real life. So yeah. Good. Okay, let's see what Rob got. Let's see what Rob got. Alright. Flagrant is a blank-year old. I know. I don't know how old he is, but I can probably guess, because he's in second grade. So, he'd probably be, around 7 or 8-ish. No, you're not. That's a lie. Okay. Alright, okay. No, this is... No. Keep roasting. Don't stop. That'll ruin the vid. Don't stop. Don't stop roasting. Don't stop roasting. Hello? Okay, come on. Why are these two not roasting? You're supposed to be roasting me. That's why I have this bacon hair on. I actually should have took the L shirt off. Your mama's so... okay, all I do is talk about my parents. That's it. Your mom fat that she can fit you. What? Your mom fat can fit you as what? This is funny. It's just a bunch of tags. Just two people trying to roast me. Oh my god. Okay. Then, okay, maybe I should censor that out. Yeah, okay, then. Alright. Okay, what you got? What y'all got that can impress me into giving you... I do fat plus you can't get out of the bed. Good one. Okay, good. Good. I understand what you're saying, but there's like so many tags, so I won't even count the tags. I wouldn't even count the tags as bad, because that's Roblox. No offense. Who is he talking to? I don't mean it though. Okay. Good. Flag has winning and so far. Good, man, good. Look, what? Okay. Come on, say something about my Roblox character. Guys, say something about my Roblox. About my Roblox outfit. That's why I'm wearing this. You're so dumb, you trade a cent for a collar. A cent for a collar? That's dollar. Oh. You're a bacon and blank suck. No. What does that mean? Weird. Real weird. Where did he go? Why did he stop roasting? Okay, so who do I give the Roblox card to? Cause these two stopped roasting. I don't know what's going on. For like a minute, it looks like for like 1 minute, it looked like they was roasting each other for like a minute. And then it turned around, and then they started roasting me again. I said, "You're so tall, you broke through the whole house." Oh, okay, that's pretty great. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wait, no, these two, like, if I was roasting one guy, I would rather, like, if there was two people and we was roasting one guy, I'd rather, like, team, like, if I was Rob, like, say, I would team up with Plush Gamer, and then they would both roast me, and then that probably would backfire a little bit. And that's in my opinion, but you're blank that Donald Trump, like I don't know how Roblox doesn't even censor that, but I'm not gonna say that, that's... Alright, then Keva joined the game. He hasn't really said anything. Let's see what we can get from him. Maybe... So far, Plush Gamer wins. Which, I know Rob, I know a bit more about Rob than I do Plush Gamer. I know a bit more about Rob, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go over here to Keva. Let's see what he has to say about me. Cause he's been joining, then AFK, then joining, then AFK, then joining, then AFK, then joining, then AFK. Okay, and I was like, Keva, what do you have to say about me? We are roasting me. Okay. Say about me. We are roasting me. I mean, they are roasting me. We not roasting me, because I wouldn't say something bad about myself. Hello, Mr. Or Mrs. Mr. I'm gonna say Mr. Keva. I know a really good roast too that I feel like I want to say, but it'd be hurtful. I said, it's me, Rob. I'm going to moonwalk everywhere we go. My black... Okay, this guy's confused. He's real confused too. What? Roast me, that's all. Roast me. Alright. I said roast me. Come on, dude. Why is he not roasting me? It's for a video. I don't mean like you roast me. I mean you're white, okay? Okay. I guess he's excluded. Why? Why not? Why is he FK? Why is he not moving around? Everyone else is moving around besides him. I so poor your mom left you. Oh, well, that's actually... Bro, what was that? My hair is more blank than okay. Oh, say not in real life. Can we not roast? Can we? Yeah. Okay, I guess. Whatever. Yeah. But Keva, just in my hangout, not doing anything. Okay, when you're in my hangout, you do what I say. I mean, yeah. If you don't want to get kicked out, I guess. Yeah. Whatever. I mean, this is pretty much like a roleplay hangout, because you got houses. I guess whoever was in this game, like, destroy the car. I guess, so yeah, alright, okay. So, the winner is Well, Flagger, you didn't say that much. Hold on, let me check chat. Let me see. Hold on, let me check chat. I don't know who I'm gonna pick. I really don't know. You have been saying a little bit bad words, so the winner is Rob is a god. The winner is Rob is a god. Rob. You win. Now I'm actually going to send him the Roblox card in the mail. Sorry, Plus Gamer, you was cursing and stuff, so I couldn't really do that. So yeah. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry, bro. I'm gonna do. I'm going to do a challenge. I'm going to do a challenge. I'm trying not to like. I'm gonna do a challenge like this again. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. All right, I'm gonna do another challenge about this. So yeah. If you. Oh my god, so much noise. I don't know what's going on. He left. Great. Well, yeah, that's Tim. I know. We don't, bro, like, just because I pick someone else don't mean you, okay, yeah. Obviously, people are real salty because I didn't pick them, but yeah, okay, they'll get over it, whatever. But we'll do another challenge like this in the future. Maybe, I don't know, I might do the show like every month where I get fans to roast me. I mean, the Rob did do quite a few roasters, so yeah. I mean, the Rob did kind of go against the rules, but then he said no offense, so yeah, that kind of does, like, yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to never miss a video. With that, bitch, let's go, peace out and good.